everyone, myself Sahana, second year MSc student, DOS in Computer Science at Mansagambutri University of Mysore. I am going to discuss about topic computer network. I would like to explain the details about the computer network. My topic is connectivity devices to OSI model. OSI, it's the meaning Open System Interconnection Model. OSI model. Open System Interconnection Model is a conceptual framework used to describe the functions of a networking system. The OSI model characterizes computing functions into a universal set of rules and requirements in order to support interoperability between different products and software. Created at a time when network computing was in its infancy. The OSI was published in 1984 by the International Organization for Standardizations. Though it does not always map directly to specific systems, the OSI model is still used today as a means to describe network architecture. An introduction to the OSI model, the Open System Interconnection Model, better known as the OSI model, is a network map that was originally developed as a universal standard for creating networks. But instead of serving all a model with agreed upon protocols that would be used worldwide, the OSI model has become a teaching tool that shows how different tasks within a network should be handled in order to promote error-free data transmission. These jobs are split into 7 layers, each of which depends on the functions handed off from other layers. As a result, the OSI model also provides a guide for the troubleshooting network problems by tracking them down to a specific layer. Here we will take a look at the layers of the OSI model and what functions they perform within a network. Characteristics of the OSI model: application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, physical layer. These are all the characteristics of the OSI model. Application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer are the responsibility of the host. Network layer, data link layer, physical layer are the responsibility of the network. The OSI model is divided into 2 layers, upper layer, lower layer. Upper layer of the OSI model mainly deals with the application related issues and they are implemented only in the software. The application layer is closest to the end users. Both the end user and the application layer interact with the software application. An upper layer refers to the layer of just above the layer. Lower layer. The lower layer of the OSI model deals with the data transport issues. The data link layer and the physical layer are the implemented in hardware and software. The physical layer is the lowest layer of the OSI model and the closest to the physical medium. Physical layer is mainly responsible for the placing the informations of the physical medium. There are the 7 OSI layers. Each layer has different functions. A list of 7 layers are given below. Application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, physical layer. Application layer, presentation layer, session layer, these are all software layers. Transport layer is the heart of the OSI. Network layer, data link layer, physical layer, these are hardware layers. Application layer. Layer 7 is the OSI model is known as the application layer. This is the layer that support process for end users and applications. What happens in this layer? User authentication, services, privacy, data syntax, and all are identified and processed. Presentation layer. Presentation layer, also referred to as the syntax layer, transforms data into form the application layer can digest. Session layer. Session layer is responsible for the initiating and terminating connections between the different applications. This layer establishes communication connections between the remote systems and allows for the flow of data between them. Transport layer. Transport layer is responsible for the ensuring complete data transfer. Packets must get to the endpoints error free and properly sequenced. This layer is critical importance for both the securing the transport layer. Network layer. Network layer is responsible for establishing the way in which data is communicated both in your network and in other networks via packets, forwarding and routing. This layer functions includes internetworking, handling errors, packet sequencing, congestion control and routing and forwarding. Data link layer. Data link layer is responsible for coding and decoding data packets, aka ensuring communication between the network and physical layer happens. Physical layer. This is the lowest layer of the OSI model and it's fundamental to all the layers above it. This layer is responsible for ensuring your physical assets, hardware, routers, switches, patch panels, cabling, etc. are powered and able to send or receive data. The advantage of the OSI model are it's a generic model and act as a guidance tool to develop any network model. It is a layered model. It is distinctly separate services, interfaces and protocols. It supports both connections oriented services and connectionless services. These are all the connectivity devices to a OSI model. Thank you.